Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather and Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom dining room layout on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start with an open plan kitchen area and then add my dining room design in. I'm starting with a rug from the catalogue. I'm using the resize function to adjust the sizing. I'm then adding a dining set from the catalogue, but I want to make it bespoke to my design, so I'm going to upload a new texture and amend all of the seat cushions. I'm doing this on the left-hand side panel by clicking on Textures, then Upload, and then adding a screenshot I have previously taken. I'm then going to dress the table with plates, flowers and napkins from the catalogue. I'm using the clone tool, top middle of the screen, to make the process quicker. Next, I'm adding a drinks trolley to the corner of my dining space. I'm adding elements from the catalogue such as a wine rack, bottles, glasses and ice. I'm using the rotate and movement tools to position everything in place. I'm now adding a large mirror from the catalogue, again using the resize and rotate functions to fit the space I have. I now want to make a cosy, relaxing area, so I'm adding a chair, table, plants and accessories from the catalogue. I'm using the resize and rotate tools to ensure that they fit the space. I'm also adding art from the selection available in the catalogue. Next, I'm going to swap to the ceiling plan mode by going to the top right hand side of my screen and clicking 2D, and then on the drop down selecting ceiling plan mode. I'm going to add my dining room light using the grid to line up in the correct places. I can then go back to the 3D mode to check how it looks. I'm now going to take my render by clicking Take Render in the top right hand corner. I can amend the internal lighting and the sun at this point using the panel on the left hand side. To take a preview, click Get Preview in the middle of the screen. To take render, choose the 4K option for the best outcomes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.